Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create the basic pages for the website like homepage, about page and contact page. These pages are very important whether you are making a blog or a business website. You should always have these pages. So let's get started. First go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on pages, then click on add new. Now write home in the title. Don't write anything in the content area, just leave it empty for now. Now click on publish. You might be thinking, why are we leaving it empty? Good question. Right now we are only creating the page. Later we will select the static home page and latest blog post page. So for now just create it and leave it blank. Now go back to pages and you will see a page already there called privacy policy. Click on edit. Now scroll down and replace the default website link with your own website URL wherever it's written. After updating the link, click on update. That's it. Next we will make the about page. Just go back and click on add new and name it about. Now we will add a nice section to tell people who you are and what your website is about. Click the plus button and choose the media and text block. On one side upload your photo, on the other side write a short paragraph about yourself, what you do and why you made this website. Below that you can add more text to tell your story or your experience. Since I am making a personal blog, I will write about myself and my blog in simple words. When you are done, click on publish. Now let's make the contact page. Go to pages and click on add new and type contact as the title. First add a heading that says contact, then add another heading that says contact information. Below that write your email address and location, phone number if you want to show it. Now we will leave some spaces here for a contact form. Here we will add a contact form later. I will make a separate lecture for it. Otherwise the video will become too long. So for now just leave it as it is. This way if someone wants to send you a message directly from your website, they can do it from this page once the form is added. Now click on publish. Alright, so this was our video for today. In the next video we will set the page we created with the name home as our main home page, and we will also set up the latest blog page. This means that whenever we publish a new blog post, it will show up on the home page. So whenever someone visits our website, they will see your latest blog posts right on the home page. I hope this video was super helpful for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.